Okay, that was investment evaluation. Let's go on with the next 10 minutes of location-based pricing. And for this, I want to welcome Ilgvars Girgensons, the CTO and board member of Balcia Insurance. Welcome.
Thanks. Hello. In 2000, in 2014, I bought a really nice family house, and we moved in with a family from an apartment, and everything was great, and including my mortgage payment. And then aggressor state broke in a peaceful, friendly country nearby, and suddenly my mortgage payment doubled. And then our I just thought, and I felt a bit that I'm overpaying for that, because like rational, everything is understandable. Financial sector was impacted, and that increased the prices and everything. But as a person, as a client, actually, I did everything. So accordingly to my contract, including I didn't miss any mortgage payment. So really, I felt overpaying, and actually, I feel today in the same. So, and I asked myself, am I really getting the value for my money? And then, as an insurance professional, I thought probably my clients feel the same. So probably they feel overpaying about insurance products. And I set an aim that we need to review our pricing model really deeply and check is there any possibilities to improve it. And as an aim, we chose car insurance pricing because that was his most expensive one. And because of the same reasons, actually, car insurance prices increased as well. And then we actually started to analyze and understood that already the first conclusion was that personalized price means that we need to collect more and more data, and it isn't enough to just use existing data. Yeah? And that was the start of already data model creation, and we understood that the data amount is huge, and to make the price more personalized, we need to collect it somehow in some solution. And then we found some third-party solution, and we shared data and created a data model and integrated it to our system where the calculation happens. And that was the proof of concept, start of the proof of concept. Before I will go into details about data, I will bit explain about insurance price, how it's created. So in standard model, in previous model, we used cars and drivers data. And that's around 50 different kind of parameters to get the price. Now with AI model, we are using additional data, and we are training our data model with the data, and that already allows us to calculate the price by using 800 different parameters. So huge difference. And now, and already by calculating price through the web or by partners in the system, so it's each and every request is impacted. So in each and every request, there is coefficient comes from AI. And what is important, anyway, we understand that AI proposed coefficients are the second opinion. And that's pretty important. That's why we periodically review how the model works, improve it regularly to have a proper pricing. Yep. And more about data. So what is this specific data which came in and in so huge amount? Then first thing, that's all about location. Yep. First conclusion after investigation was that the biggest probability to get an accident is around your house. So that's data showed. And that's why it's not only about address of work or a home, but actually it's about data, what is around this address, about this location, and location's about kilometers. Yep. So, that's why we collected and we are using data, different kind of data about accidents. So how big damage for car, how the injuries of the passengers and the driver, and what weather at day, at night. Additionally, using data about drivers' behavior, so penalty points and similar. And what is one more data layer which came in, that if you are comparing with previous approach, that it's global data. We are not using only our portfolio data, so based on our statistics, our clients, but actually we have a huge and amount of data, and that the pricing model looks much wider to calculate the price. And I can say one, like as an example, I can mention one thing which is implemented as well and used by AI. That for example, if your home address is near the school, so there is some predictions from AI that there is possibility that you will not bring your children to school by car. So the risk is lower. Yep. So that kind of things as well is taken into account. And about the outcome of this, so we measure it after the launch, 45 days, pricing model, and we understood and we saw that we reduced prices for Casco policies, issued Casco policies for 60% of all issued policies. At the same time, we increased sold policies amount for 28%, and the income as well we increased. Overall, likely it's logical, because if you are reducing price, the sales goes up. But what is the most important, and why we believe in that AI really helps for business, because in last period our profit growth is 4 times. So that's really a fundamental thing. And yeah, thanks. And actually, that is not it. I will not go in details. I have just a couple minutes left. So 6 more benefits we got. One of those is that we are saving 200 hours per year just for price calculations. So Excel's moving, data moving, and uploading and doing and everything. So that's one of the benefits which we got as well. And yes, and actually, about those 200 hours. So actually, AI allows things more and work less, and that's a good thing. And I want to say that for different kind of businesses, there should be some approach which brings the possibility to analyze out-of-the-box data, probably create your AI, your data models, and the benefit will be for business and hopefully for customers as well, as in our case that we made this pricing more personalized. Yes, and like overall summary, so the equal model cars, color doesn't impact price, yeah, with a different kind of location, and additionally driver's data. In the end of the day, there will be personalized price for each of those cars. And one more outcome, that this one is where you can see AI in action. So you can, if you want, you can scan a QR code. That's our application. And on the first page, you will see the link and get and see how it works. There is like very common information about the location which you will enter, so address. And there will be some statistics which probably will show you something new about where you live from different kind of perspective. Yep. And yes, so if there is some moments when you feel that your client doesn't smile enough wide or doesn't smile at all. So you can remember our Balcia story about AI and move forward with some technology approaches to make it more personalized for your clients. So yeah, thanks a lot, guys, and thank you.